You know it's going to be a good day when you get to take the VT to work. Hey everyone, how are we doing? My name is Tim Pongaraz and this is Focus on Detailing. Today's video is all about some exciting news that's coming to our website. If you're new here, I can tell you that both my girlfriend and I have been working hard on our business, both Focus on Detailing and Auto Raz. We've introduced some products and now we've got some more to come. If you haven't checked them out, I suggest you do so. Recently, we've added air fresheners to our range, 2 of which, and they've been taken in quite well. But now we're going to be having some tools on our website so you can get the most out of our products. Specifically, we're going to be introducing towels and mitts. There might be a bit of a gap between my uploads, but I do have one in the works of my most recent detail. And here's a little something of what you've got to look forward to. I think what stops me from filming more often is fear of judgment. I think all it takes is to find what you love, film it, and hope others enjoy it. I film what I love, but it's always in the back of my mind whether people will enjoy it or not. I think it's time to care less but give more, as long as the quality doesn't drop. Don't you just love it when your girlfriend moves in and your dog ends up loving her more than you little traitor. She's currently looking all over her for her, but she's not home from work yet. So this is going to be a raw introduction into our new towels and mitts, as well as a few other things that I'm going to be going over. It's a bit of a behind the scenes so you can get an idea of just what you could be getting very soon. So come this way. Come on. Does that sound rehearsed? Welcome to my crib. So what we're going to do first is focus on interior. I'm going to come over here. Let me introduce the first group of towels for the lot. There's actually a whole lot more than this. Don't be scared. This isn't all we have, but for the photo shoot, it's going to have to do. Now, we've already given it a bit of thought how we're going to take this picture, but just in case you were interested into how I do my photography. Shaylee, you helped me with this one, didn't you?
I try.
Oh. We're going to put it in a roll, have it like that. We don't want to sort of cover the product itself, but you want both to be as important as each other because like we're going to be selling this as a pack in conjunction to work together, because these towels have been purchased purposely to go with Focus on Interior. They've got a low GSM, but perfect for a quick spray, quick zest over the towel, then wipe across the interior of your car, whether it be vinyl or plastic, to rejuvenate it, bring more life to it, a nice shine. So, purple for purple. Let's get these pictures happening. One of you guys out there could be lucky enough to get this towel that I've touched so often. Isn't that something that you want?
Oh yeah. Why do you hate it?
I don't know, it doesn't look good. Looks like shit. It looks bad. I mean, I don't know who watches my videos. The analytics are mostly 97% men my age, so I'm right to swear. Should be right. I just won't get paid for the video. It's got to be perfect. You remember, this is going to be on the website for all to see. So we want it to look good. And don't stress, guys. I'm going to be going into more detail about these towels very soon. But we're doing this first. We're going to mix things up a bit. I don't like the base that the towel and product are sitting on. It looks very bad. We're going to go down the route what you said. I know you're right.
Always.
A chopping board for the picture. So here we go. Let's mix it up a bit. And I also forgot to put the trigger with it, so I had to redo the pictures anyway. Get that shit out of here. I don't know if it's working for me, but it just looks like a purple blob next to all. Oh, that looks a bit better. Looks sort of rustic. I don't know, you got any thoughts?
I think that's good.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, it makes it look like we're selling the chopping board. Guys, the chopping board doesn't come with it. You get a towel and the product. What do you reckon? Does that look alright? Like a purple oniony looking Play-Doh thing next to the bottle. Does it look good?
That's good.
Looks good? Alright. Next one, now that we've done one, the next two, I think, should be a whole lot easier. I know a lot of people out there are probably going to be a little bit dubious, skeptical about using a new soap product, something like that, on their pride and joy. But I can tell you now, it's good stuff. But you can have confidence with using this mitt as its concourse. This will be being sold as a kit as well. Do you reckon I should take it out of the packaging for a better picture?
Yeah, go for it.
I need a new one anyway.
No.
What?
That's not yours.
Oh, sorry. You sort of want it to be like that, but not have the other bottle showing, so like that. That looks okay, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
See how fluffy that is, guys? It's not going to be damaging no paint work.
What about upside down?
Like that?
Yeah, with the tag out the bottom.
Oh, but you can't see it. Right. I reckon I'm happy with that shot. A lot of people out there always ask, how do you clean glass? Two things. A great glass cleaner and a great glass cleaning towel. Low pile, this is Diamond Stitch, and I'm telling you right now, from experience, this will be really helpful with helping for a streak-free surface. Did I just say really helpful for helping?
I can't remember.
Oh, well, it's really helpful for getting that streak-free surface. So, if you want that on your cars, buy this kit. This is a real credit to people that take pictures of towels because I'm not having much success. Only so much can be said about towels, but the ones that we've gone with work in perfectly with our specific product. Interior protection is pretty straightforward, and this towel that we've gone with is nice and large, it is soft, but it's low GSM as well. So a quick spray with Focus on Interior, and then a wipe over your plastic, rubber or vinyl surfaces, and they'll be looking amazing. As stated before, glass cleaning, there is two very important things that you need to help create that perfect crystal clean glass. One of which is obviously a great glass cleaner, and that would be Focus on Glass. And the other would be a fantastic glass cleaning towel. This tight woven, low GSM diamond weave towel works perfectly with a quick spray of Focus on Glass to create that streak-free finish, and it's also amazing for chrome. That's a bit of a close-up, so you can see just what it's like. Most of you probably already know about the Wash Mitt. This extra soft, long-stranded mitt helps catch the dirt and mess across your car's surface, picking it up safely to then put in the rinse bucket to be all taken off. A good wash mitt is nothing without a great soap. Now, speaking of car soaps, we also have another one in the work. That's a new formula, new smell and new performance, so keep an eye out for that one. A lot of people have been asking about the drill brushes that they see in my videos, most of the time with interior cleaning. Well, look no further, as they'll soon be on the website as well. So all that running around that you saw with me and my girlfriend with the camera before was just a bit of fun, and the processes that are involved with getting them to our website manager, then they're soon going to be put all online. It won't be long before you have access to all this stuff up on the website. It takes a bit of time for me to be happy with it and get it all right. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, don't be scared to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll do my very best to answer. That'll do for this one, guys. It's just a pretty easygoing one, a relaxed one, which is a bit different for me, especially when I'm trying to advertise something. But it was good fun, and I can't wait to bring it all together. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check out the socials, and I'll catch you all later.